There are definitely multiple ways in which you can set up a business or an office. So back in the days, you could only establish an office in a foreign jurisdiction. However, nowadays you can run a virtual office, which means, yes, it's a physical location, but it's run by somebody else and you have a registered and domiciled address. So normally those services are available online, but also accountants and lawyers can domicile your business at their premises. And remember, you don't have to pay anything to the local establishment, to the local real estate owner. You only have to pay the secretarial service because you need to have a mailing address. You also need to have a certified email address, and you need somebody that runs your calls and takes the mail. So this is a service you of course have to pay. However, this is the cheapest way in which you can enter Italy. It's the easiest way instead of setting up a business, because otherwise you need to rent an office, put people in there, put furniture, etc., etc. And that's much flexible. However, you need to understand, will that create a permanent establishment? Will that create a taxable entity in Italy? Or can you run that office from somewhere else? There are also services that allow you to be outside of Italy and run a virtual office in Italy. Why? They can have like a local register address, they can have a local mailing address, and they can have a local telephone line, but they're not physically present in Italy. So why do they do that? Well, they do that to avoid for any case to be deemed as a tax resident of Italy. And by the way, you can also create a local establishment that's just a representative office that runs all the costs. This will not attract any income, any revenue, any tax liability from Italy. However, you can run your business safely with a virtual office in Italy.